Here is the HP Spectre X360 15-inch 2020 model. So let's get started with opening it. Let's put the laptop aside. Let's go to the papers we learn the top, setup information. Let's open the another box. Here is the charger, 2 ports, 2 pins. Then this is all the charging, the power bank. And next is this stylus pen, HP stylus pen. Let's take it out. This is the charger, and next is the HP stylus pen. Opening it, of the HP Spectre 360 inch. This is a premium leather steel. You can put it in, and then let's start with the main
in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. Use your voice or the key. Voice mode on. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to turn on narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in. Your region is set to the United States. Your keyboard is set to, you also type with another keyboard, which language do you want to use for your second keyboard layout? Which keyboard layout do you want to add? Now let's get you connected to the network. That way you can get update. Now type your credentials. Mission accomplished. You're all linked. Now we have some important setup to do. Let's see what's new from Windows. Next up,
power charger, and that is the power button, and it is the HDMI with the ventilation. Then let's go to the headphone jack 3.5mm, and this is the HP logo written. On the other side is the USB Type-C, two of them with USB Type-A, and the ventilation with the micro SD card, and it has 10 Gen Core i7 and NVIDIA GeForce GTX, and it has the fingerprint